for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, day and night rear view mirror, rear window wiper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.